Do you really care about your kids? If not naman medyo lumalaki na yung anak mo. And you're afraid na baka yung anak mo ay hindi maging responsible. Kailangan ngayon pa lang i-train mo na siya. So we're on our 25th day ng ating daily vlog and today is Saturday. Since close naman yung market, and I don't normally trade during weekends kasi ang onti na liquidity, ang bagal ng market, tapos ang taas pa ng spread, and crypto lang yung open. So might as well, let's take this time to, of course, rest. And our topic for today is about generational wealth. How we can change the cycle. Kasi for the longest time, we are trapped in sandwich generation. When I say sandwich generation, we are trapped in a situation wherein we have to take care of our parents because they're old, retired, and they no longer have a source of income. And we also have to take care of our kids na kailangan natin pag-aralin, alagaan, palakihin. So imagine mo, if you do not have enough source of income, paano mo ka magpa-provide dun sa both generations na yun? And you're stuck in the middle. The question is it really our responsibility to take care of our parents when they get old? And also, is it really our responsibility to take care of our kids even if they are already above 20 years old? Kaya grabe, sobrang uso ang extended family here in the Philippines, diba? Kasi that's always the setup. Of course, we do love them. Pero this is one of the stories na nabasa ko from Facebook, which is, ang ganda, ang galing. Sabi dun is, instead of like kicking your kid or your children at 18 years old, might as well charge them with 10,000 pesos rent per month sa bahay nyo hanggang mag 25 years old siya. Kasi this will teach them the real world lessons like budgeting, accountability, independence. Pero may twist dito. What your kid doesn't know is you're secretly saving all the rent money pala. Para on their 25th birthday, ibibigay mo sa kanila yung ipon na yun and then they can probably use it for the down payment ng bagong bahay or to start a business or maybe investment. But by then, yung anak mo natuto na siya ng disiplina, nakapag-build na siya ng habit, and hindi lang basta na-receive yung cash na yon. Kasi this kind of method, it will break the poverty cycle. It will create generational wealth. Because that kid, he did not just gain money, but he also gained money skill, diba? And speaking of money skill, today, grabe, sobrang jam-pack ang classroom, ang LTA campus natin today dahil we have freshmen and we're seeing na grabe, nagbago rin talaga yung demographics ng aming mga students kasi it used to be like super mga matatanda yung mga nag-join like mga 50s, 60s, yung mga retirees kumbaga, or yung mga naglo-look forward na to retire. But right now, we're seeing students na quite younger than the usual. And whenever we ask them, bakit gusto mo matuto ng trading even at a young age? And what they always say is they were encouraged by their auntie or their parents or their lola. Like, okay, nakakatuwa lang na yung mga older generation natin, ini-encourage nila yung mga younger generation to really have this skill of trading. And we're really seeing value in learning an online skill wherein you can earn money through online, diba? And those generation, mga Gen X, mga boomers yun, pero nakakatuwa lang, diba? And even yung mga millennials na generation, they also encourage their children na mga Gen Zs to also study about this. We are already leaning towards financial literacy na talaga and financial investment, financial education, which is I'm really happy. Kasi most families, they pass down bills. Hindi wealth. Bills yung mga pinapasa sa atin. But imagine niyo guys, instead of just teaching your kids to save, you teach them how to grow their money through trading. Kasi trading builds financial literacy. They will understand the money, the risk and reward. It will also build their discipline kasi they will learn patience, strategy instead of gambling, and syempre independence. Kasi they will no longer rely on their 9-to-5 paycheck, diba? So if you will be thinking just long term, once you have mastered trading and you can pass down the knowledge, that skills to your kids, that is not just inheritance. That is wealth system. They can continue to grow. Sometimes kasi akala natin ang generational money is pamana. Pero guys, generational wealth isn't only about giving money. It is about giving them the tool that will help them to multiply it. So if I were you, start learning a skill that will help not just you, but also your kids and the next generation. So we will all be able to inherit more than just hard work. We will all be inheriting financial freedom. You really want to start your trade or enroll your kid You can visit our website, www.legendarytradingacademy.com, and explore our services that could actually help you build your wealth system so we can finally break the sandwich generation. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.